Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. So today I'm disassembling this wood chipper, and I'm getting ready to pop this engine out of here so I can get it disassembled and see what's going on inside. It has a pretty large crack on the side of the block, and that's the main concern. That's the main reason this engine's coming out. But yeah. So enjoy the video. I got you on time lapse for a few, and then I'll go back to talking before we pop the engine out. So peace. Subscribe if you like what you see. I'm definitely going to have this machine up and running very soon. This engine will be fully rebuilt even if I'm not using this block. And I would like to repaint it, but depending on the owner's choice, we'll see how that goes. So stick around, subscribe, and like. Comment down below if you got any thoughts.
Hey, what's up, crew? Back out here messing with the wood chipper, video 3. And got everything completely disassembled motor-wise. So I'm waiting for my father-in-law to come with his truck so we can pull it out of here and get it back on the pavement. And pull this engine out of here and start disassembling it. I'm going to strip the whole entire engine down to bare block because we got to figure out if we're going to replace this block. I'm pretty sure I would like to replace the block, but that's a bad crack, and this thing is no use with a crack like that on it. This is the clutch right here. Weird thing to me is the fact that the intake manifold and the exhaust is connected together. That's an oddball. But yeah, this thing is beat up, and I'm beat up. Like, all the freaking bolt holes are freaking chewed up like that. There's a whole bunch of broken welds all over the place. More broken welds. You can tell this thing has had its time of fair shares. Gotta get this hose off still. But, yeah, this is freaking pretty cool little clutch mechanism here. I gotta take this off so I don't forget. Yeah, but there's one bolt here, one on the other side, and then there's two on the front, and then there's these freaking slide adjustments for the belt, tighten belts. Once I got the engine off of here and it's completely disassembled, I'm gonna come back to this and power wash it, grease all the zerk fittings, and then we'll be rebuilding this engine and getting this machine freshened up. Hopefully, he would like to get it painted. I would like to see it painted. Paint it black or orange or something, whatever color he likes. But anything is better than this multicolor. Finally found out what I'm looking for. WC17. I didn't know what model it was. Nice. And I also have a guy who can remake these stickers too, so you can have brand new stickers. And if he wanted to, he can make this thing really nice. I got a sandblast this is real clean. Get some nice paint on it. Fix this. Gotta fix this right here. That's pretty deep. Ooh, what's this? I never noticed that. It's broken. I'm not getting under here right now. It looks kind of nasty. But I'll be back with you in a few. I gotta deal with this every day. Just a second. Alright, now I can hear myself talking again. So, I'm just waiting on him to come out here, pull this thing out here on the pavement so I can pop the engine out, and then I'll throw you guys back on time lapse of me getting this thing torn apart. So, peace. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the motor out, and this thing, all the weight's on the back end now, and I swear, man, I put all my weight on this thing and I cannot pick it up. So I'm gonna just leave it parked like this. I did just have it up on bricks, but I moved it back and dropped it by accident, so I'm a one-man band. This thing's heavy. But we officially decided that rebuilding this engine is gonna take too much time and too much money, and we could get a refurbished engine for about the same cost. So I'm gonna start looking around, try to find a new engine, and see how quickly we could get a new engine put back on this machine. And start chucking some woodchuck wood, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The sun is going down. It's time to call it quits. I'll catch you guys once we start getting a new motor put in and we start swapping all the old parts over, you know. And yeah. So thanks for fixing it with Frank. Enjoy your day. Peace.